Snapshot testing. Test-driven development is a great way to approach testing helper functions, custom classes, and datasets. However, when it comes to testing the UI, TDD can be tricky and often impractical. The UI frequently changes, which makes maintaining UI tests a time-consuming practice. It is also pretty common to be tasked with the job of RIT in tests for UI components that already exist in production. Snapshot testing provides us with a way to quickly test UI components to make sure that we have not caused any unexpected changes. Just can save a snapshot of the red dirt UI and compare it to the rendered output of future tests. This allows us to know if our updates have not had any unexpected effects while still allowing us to move quickly and not get too bogged down with the practicalities of testing the UI. Additionally, snapshots can easily be updated when UI changes are expected. Let's see how we can test the color component with snapshot testing. First, let's take a look at the existing code for the color component. Import prop types component from React. Import star rating from ./*rating. Import timeago from ./timeago. Import FA trash from React icons /lib/fa/trasher. Import /stylesheets/color.scss. Class color extends component. Render. Const. Title, color, rating, timestamp, on remove, on rate. Equals this.props. Return. Class name equals color style equals this.style. Title. On click equals on remove. / equals color. Style equals background color. Timestamp equals timestamp / Star selected equals rating on rate equals on rate / Export default color. If we render this component with specific properties, we would expect a DOM that contains specific components based on the properties that we have set. Shallow. Title equals test color. Color equals F0. Rating equals 3. Timestamp equals MON the 11th of April, 2016 125,419 GMT 0700 PDT. /HTML. The resulting DOM should look something like class equals color. Test color. / class equals color style equals background color F0. Class equals timeago 4/11/2016. Class equals star rating. Class equals star selected. Class equals star selected. Class equals star selected. Class equals star. Class equals star. 3 of 5 stars. Snapshot testing will allow us to save a snapshot of this DOM the very first time we run the test. Then, we'll be able to compare future tests to that snapshot to make sure the resulting output is always the same. Let's go ahead and write a snapshot test for the color component. Import shallow from Enzyme. Import color from // src /components /UI /color. Describe UI component. Equals. It renders correct properties, equals. Let output equals shallow. Title equals test color. Color equals F0, F0, F0. Rating equals 3. Timestamp equals MOM the 11th of April, 2016 125,419 GMT 0700 PDT. /HTML. Expect output to match snapshot. In this test, we used Enzyme to render the component and collect the resulting output as a string of HTML. To match snapshot is the jest matcher used for snapshot testing. The first time this test is run, Jest will save a copy of the resulting HTML in a snapshot file. This file will be added to a snapshots folder in the same directory as the test. Currently, the snapshot file would look like exports UI component renders correct properties 1 equals color, test color. If anything at all is different about the resulting HTML, the test will fail. Snapshot testing allows us to move quickly, but if we move too fast, we could end up writing flaky tests, or tests that pass when they should fail. Taking snapshots of HTML strings will work for testing, but it is hard for us to verify that the snapshot is actually correct. Let's improve our snapshot by saving the output as JSX. For this, we'll need to install the EnzymeTouchSyn module. npm install EnzymeTouchSyn save dev. This module provides a function that we can use to render enzyme wrappers as JSX, which makes it easier to review the snapshot output for correctness. To render our snapshot using EnzymeTouchSyn, we would first shallow render the color component with Enzyme. Then send that result to the toJSON function and the result of toJSON to the expect function. We may be tempted to write code that looks like expect toJSON shallow title equals test color. Color equals F0, F0, F0. Rating equals 3. Timestamp equals MOM the 11th of April, 2016 125,419 GMT 0700 PDT. /. match snapshot. But this is a perfect place to use a little composition to improve our code. Remember composition. Smaller functions can be put together to make larger functions. We can use the compose function from Redux to make a single larger function out of shallow toJSON and expect. Import shallow from Enzyme. Import toJSON from EnzymeTouchSyn. Import compose from Redux. Import color from // src components /UI /color. Describe UI component. Equals. Const shallow expect equals compose epec toJSON shallow. It renders correct properties, equals. Shallow expect. Title equals test color. Color equals F0, F0, F0. Rating equals 3. Timestamp equals MOM the 11th of April, 2016 125,419 GMT 0700 PDT. / to match snapshot. The shallow expect function takes a component and shallow renders it, converts the result to JSON, and then sends it to the expect method that returns all of the jest matches. If we run this test, it should fail because the output is now JSX and not an HTML string. Our test no longer matches the snapshot. However, snapshots are easy to update. We can update the snapshot by running the test again with the update snapshot flag. Jest update snapshot if we run jest with the watch flag. Jest watch jest will continue to run in the terminal and listen for changes to our source code and tests. If we make any changes, jest will rerun our tests. When you are watching tests, you can easily update the snapshot by pressing the U key. Snapshot summary. One snapshot test failed in one test suite. Inspect your code changes or press U to update them. Test suites 1 failed, 6 passed, 7 total tests 1 failed, 28 passed, 29 total snapshots 1 failed, 1 total time 1.407s ran all test suites. Watch usage. Press U to update failing snapshots. Press P to filter by a file name rejects pattern. Press Q to quit watch mode. Press Enter to trigger a test run. Once you update the snapshot, the test will pass. The snapshot file has now changed. Instead of one long HTML string, the snapshot now looks like exports UI component renders correct properties 1 equals test color on click equals function class name equals color style equals object background color F0 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 / timestamp equals on the 11th of April 2016 125,419 GMT 0700 PDT / on rate equals function star selected equals 3 / This snapshot is much more readable. We can take a quick look at it to verify the results are correct before moving on to our next test. Snapshot testing can be a very effective way to quickly add testing to your applications. Using code coverage. Code coverage is the process of reporting on how many lines of code have actually been tested.